Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Want to have a mutton which will melt inside your mouth and you don't want to use more masala and oil? So this is the recipe for you. This is a mutton gravy recipe with very less masala, very less oil, yet very tasty, and the mutton will be super soft and it will just melt when you just try to bite it. So friends, watch this mutton curry recipe till end. So let's get started. Friends, we are taking 1 kg of mutton and we have washed it thoroughly and we'll keep it aside. Then we'll go to the next process. So as you can see, we have taken garlic, potato, ginger and green chili. So these are actually red chilies because they are ripe, and we have taken onions. So onions, we are taking almost 8 onions. We have chopped these onions. So as you can see, the onion slice, so like this you want to cut, and then we'll cut tomatoes. So we have taken 4 tomatoes here, so we are cutting the tomatoes. See, we have chopped the tomatoes, total 4 tomatoes. We are using medium sized tomatoes. So keep these chopped tomatoes aside once you have cutted them. So as you can see, we have chopped the tomatoes. Now we are going to make paste of ginger, garlic and the chilies. They are actually turned red. The advantage of taking these red chilies are it will give a very good color in the gravy. So we are now making the paste. The paste is not good, we need some more water, so we are adding little bit water. Now the paste is fine. So as you can see, the paste is fine now. So we are now starting the next process. So in the cooker, first put all the chopped onion slices at the below, at the bottom, at the base of the cooker. So first we have placed all the chopped onions in the base of the cooker. Put it like this. So cover the base and then add all the muttons. One by one you add all the muttons, including the mutton liver. So put all the muttons here. We have not turned the gas on yet, so the gas is still turned off, and at this stage only we are putting the mutton. And next we are going to put this. Next we are going to add bay leaves, dried red chili, long, cardamom, cinnamon. See, we are adding that as a layer again after the mutton. While adding this darchini, you try to break them so that it will give a good flavor in the gravy. Now we are adding all the chopped tomatoes. And we are adding the paste, ginger, garlic and chili paste. Friends, we are adding 1.5 teaspoon of salt, and after adding the salt, we are going to add the red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder. This we are adding again 1.5 teaspoon, and then we are adding turmeric powder. This we are adding 2 teaspoon, and then we are adding jeera powder 1.5 teaspoon again. Now we are adding 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala. Adding 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, and we are turning on the heat now. Now let's give it a very good mix. So we are mixing all the masala, all the paste with mutton. Okay, and after giving it a mix, we are just covering the cooker, and we'll wait for 1 CT. So make sure you wait only for 1 CT to come. So after 1 CT, we are going to turn off the heat again, release the pressure, and then we'll uncover the cooker. And as you let's mix this once more. So after 1 CT, we'll uncover the cooker and again we'll give it a good mix. Now we feel we need more oil, so we are adding 4 tablespoon of mustard oil again. Now after adding the oil, we are turning on the heat, and also we are adding 2 teaspoon of turmeric powder because it was needed. And then we are going to put the potatoes one by one. So we are putting the potatoes which we have already cutted and cleaned the skin. So put the potatoes one by one. Let's give it a good mix. We shall be frying this for 10 to 15 minutes, and in middle you need to keep on stirring so that it doesn't get stuck at the bottom, nothing gets burned at the bottom. So keep stirring for 10 to 15 minutes constantly. After frying for 15 minutes, we are going to add water. So we are adding approximately 1 liter of water. So it's up to you how much gravy you want. So we want more gravy, little more gravy, so we are adding 1 liter of water. Finally, we are going to add the Sunrise meat masala. This is a very good meat masala, will give a very authentic taste. So try to use this Sunrise meat masala. We are adding about 2 teaspoons of Sunrise meat masala. Now let's mix this meat masala with our gravy, and after mixing this we are going to cover this cooker and we'll wait for 15 to 20 cities. So guys, we'll be waiting for 15 to 20 cities. For that I'm covering this cooker now. We'll be patiently waiting for the cities to come. Friends, we are waiting for 15 to 20 cities. It may vary from cooker to cooker, but for us to boil the mutton we need at least 15 to 20 cities. So as you can see, the cities are coming one after one, and after 20 cities we are opening the cooker cover. So I'm trying to open the cover and just trying to release the gas from inside the cooker. So after releasing the gas, I'm trying to open it slowly. So make sure you be careful while opening the cooker. So as I have opened the cooker cover, and a very nice smell is coming, very nice aroma is coming from the mutton curry. As you can see, mutton curry is boiling and the color, the texture is awesome. We have used very little masala and very little oil. Anybody can cook this. Even if you are cooking for the first time a mutton curry, you can cook this. It is very easy to cook and very quick to cook. Okay, now we are going to serve it. Before serving, do check the salt, and if needed, add salt. And now we are serving it in a bowl. As you can see, we are serving it. So we are serving it hot. Mutton curry with rice, it's very nice combination. So do try this at your home and let us know how it comes for you. And also, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Do click on the bell icon for our upcoming interesting video notifications. So guys, now after putting that mutton curry in this bowl, we are going to garnish it with fresh chopped coriander leaves. Also guys, if you want some different kind of recipes, please let us know in the comment section. We will try to come up with the recipe in future. So for now we are saying bye bye, and we'll come back soon with a very interesting video. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching.